Do you know that engine oil cleans inside the engine? Yes, it does. Detergent and dispersant inside the oil cleans sludge, varnish, and soot away from the engine, holding them in suspension till the oil is changed. Now tell me, if you are using a fake oil, what will happen to your engine? Your engine will not last longer. Your engine will not perform better because there will be sludge formation, there will be varnish buildup, and sludge formation causes oil starvation. It prevents the oil from flowing to those areas that are needed to be well, to be lubricated. A varnish forms an insulating layer on the surface of the engine component, thereby preventing the oil from taking away heat from those parts, leading to engine overheating, high fuel consumption. If you want an engine oil that can deliver, come to the comment section. Please like and follow for more updates. Thank you.